Hello and welcome to another episode of Teaching, Learning, Tutorials and Tech. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use text in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So I've got the T here. I'll do one click, which is the point text, and this comes up, and I can change this font to anything I want. I've got long selection here. So play around with the settings. Let's leave it to Bauhaus 93, for example, and then from regular, 60, and go to 72. Change the color, yellow, lorem ipsum. Okay, that's just preset text that comes up. Okay, the next one is area text. So click on here, click and drag, and this will come up. Highlight it. It's far too big. Miss this one out. Now let's go for 24. So if I was to carry on writing, it will stay within this area text box. So Command A, or you can do click and drag, double click, change the color to a nice green. There you go. And last but not least, let's go for text on a path. That's better. T. There you go. Text on a path. Increase the size, decrease the size, increase the size. Command A. I'm going to select it first, and then double click, go for a nice reddish color, and there you go. There you have it. So I've got point text here, I've got area text, and I've got text on a path. So this was a very short video, and I would encourage you to play around with the settings here. Yeah, that's fine. It's the same. And you can adjust the settings here in this dialog box here. So you can either get it from here, or, which is right here, the panels, click, or you can just simply go to character here, and it'll just open up and it'll give you more options there. Okay, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.